Hello friends, today we will be cleaning the Brother LX2375 sewing machine. So let's get started. First thing we will need to do is take off the attachment box. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get off. Oh look, I found some needles, great. We will need a cleaning brush. So I have my flathead screwdriver. We will first off take off the presser foot. And there should be a little black lever on the back that you just push and the presser foot should come off. So we'll remove that. And then we will take off these two screws. So I will use my trusty screwdriver. This is my first time cleaning this machine, and I had to use one of my small, really small flathead screwdrivers in order to take the screw off. Oh my, it was really difficult, but I finally got it loose. And now on to cleaning. So we're going to take the metal plate off. We're going to take our cleaning brush here and we are going to clean. They call this part the feed DOS because this is where the fabric runs through the most, and sometimes lint can get in here and mess up your stitch. We're going to clean around the back. It's a lot of dust in here. You can get down in the crevices. I just leave my thread in when I'm cleaning the machine. Then I will open up my bobbin, my lever, and take off my bobbin case and clean inside here. Clean around the outer part. Clean everywhere. Anywhere you see lint, clean it. All right. And next thing we'll do is put the machine back together. So bobbin's already in there. It's clicked. Open the door. As I've shown you in my previous tutorials. Then I will put the plate back on. Screw it back in. Put the screws back in. For this machine, you may have to use one of these compact screwdrivers because it's easier to get in that area and tighten and loosen the screws. And this one came with one of my older sewing machines. Screw it in there till it's pretty tight. Not too tight. Let's put the presser foot back on. There we go. And we'll thread the bobbin later. Put everything back on. And that is how you clean a Brother XL2375 sewing machine. Subscribe to our page. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave some comments at the bottom if you like. And have a good day.